So boys' height should be
Size 21.
21. Oh, you can slap me.
I slap from her side.
Can I sit?
Sure.
Oh.
I'm glad to know. America is changing. Only thing I can tell you, the downfall of America has started in
That's literally a discrimination and racism.
No. Arey no.
the 83-year-old man.
You are dancing.
Yeah.
शादी करने के लिए मेन की सैलरी आई थिंक 70. बस दुनिया में जिसकी भी लड़ाई हो रही है पावर और पैसे की. इफ यू आर इलोन मस्क यू डोंट नीड पावर. ब्यूटीफुल इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. कैन आई गेस योर एज? 19. भाई ये बिना फ्यूल का उड़ कैसे रहा है? कितना कमा ले तो दिन का? 4000. दिन का 4000. यू नो एक्स विल बी फ्रीज. What's up guys, welcome to another video. This is Zishan and you are watching Brain Teaser Vlog. Today where I am at CP and this is my question. So now I am gonna do vlog in English. If you are a college student, it will gonna help you for your future, for me as well. There is my responsibility. Every single day I have to speak in English. So that's why I'm gonna do with flirt, entertainment and all. Let's go guys. She is my college band. Only have to speak in English. Humidity on high level. I don't know how is my pronunciation. The content is very different and you have to compromise. You have to listen my English. I think I am audible now. यार इतनी बार्गेनिंग हो रही है उन लोगों में क्या? You have to only tick one by one. If you are comfortable.
हिंदी में गाना थोड़ा देखते रहिए.
Oh, yeah, हिंदी में. You can tick. I have to shoot. You have a 15 credit. Which one would you like to pick? Related to boys, like height, muscles and all. Now you have enough credit. अब you. Yeah. Also I think college student. So yeah, which college? SRCC. Already visit SRCC. It's a renowned college of India.
What is the purpose of this survey?
To making content.
What conclusion are you trying to draw?
Janganna type. Many subscribers want to see this type of vlog. I am from, by the way, Dayal Singh College, but I visited many Hindu, Hansraj, Miranda House, and वो ये सही में नहीं चल रहा. कैसा पहना? So boys' height should be
6.2.
and muscle
Muscular.
and face
Attractive.
okay and hair
Here basic. Salary 1 lakh plus.
1 lakh plus. Oh, you are very honest.
Personality charming.
Charming like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. Or maybe Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Oh, most of Bollywood girls even like Aditya Roy Kapoor. Why? Which thing do you like?
I like his beard. I
Beard?
like his height.
And
I like his overall personality.
okay, natural body structure. I think
Yeah.
there is no steroid, so I think maybe. So
Confidence.
if you have a two option like Tiger Shroff and Aditya Roy Kapoor,
Aditya Roy. Extremely confident. Size.
I think this
Doesn't
is.
matter.
So it doesn't matter. She feel but in audio. Thank you so much. It's your turn.
What if I choose? It doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah.
Height 5'6" से ऊपर तो good हो. Muscles I think fit. Face soft. Hair basic. Salary doesn't matter.
Salary doesn't matter. Loyalty
Right
matter.
now doesn't matter.
Loyalty matter.
Yeah, of course. Personality funny.
Oh, you like funny guy?
Yeah. Confidence.
similar.
Confident.
Okay.
And size.
Okay, yeah, it's yeah. I think this question is not allowed in India. Maybe. Yeah, I'm trying first time in English vlog. In the whole vlog. Today is my first day. The whole vlog I have to speak only English.
You're doing great.
Yeah. I know there is many grammatical mistake and all, but I have to do
okay.
my responsibility to improve myself.
Check out your channel.
Subscribe. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Can I guess your age?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. If I am wrong, you will slap me.
No,
Okay.
no, I can't do that. Sorry.
Your age, I think 22.
No.
23.
21.
21. Oh, you can slap me.
I don't want to.
You have to slap.
Violence like that.
Arey.
No public violence.
No public. Arey,
I slap from her side.
your age, you 23, 22.
You are similar only, so you don't deserve slap.
Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Odisha.
Would you like to speak some sentence in Odi language?
तमें केमिति अच्छा?
Tomo kemyutu acha. What it mean? Acha.
How are you?
How are you? Good. Oh, very nice, yaar. Now I think many people here.
I hope so.
So you speak Odia fluent?
No. I have stayed in a lot of places. I've been in Mumbai as well.
Okay.
So I don't speak that fluently, but yeah.
What are you doing for living?
I will be doing masters. I'm doing a job in a big four.
Oh, nice, yeah, great. You also doing great because you are doing masters. Oh my God, how you motivate these days? Where are you from?
Noida.
Which one is better, Delhi life or Noida?
It's more or less same only.
By the way, you both look beautiful.
Thank you.
It's my genuine compliment and nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. She is from RCC Shriram College of Commerce. चल नाजू, अब तेरा कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
बहुत बढ़िया यार. Best experience.
अरे मेहनत करते जाना, कोई ना कोई तो बोलेगा ही.
Of course यार. For sure.
Guys, this is my first time. I wanna be fluent. You have to sacrifice to listen me. You need water. Their side is hot. There is a seventh sense in the audience. I met with uncle from Chicago.
I love Chicago. Chicago has a lot of beautiful buildings and it has a lot of nice people, beautiful lake, and a lot of good universities. It's
Okay.
one of the best places to live in.
Can I sit?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. I like foreign people.
I'm Indian.
Yeah, you are Indian.
I live in Rajinder Park, Rajindranagar.
Okay.
But I live in Chicago.
NRI?
NRI.
Then which type of things do you like most in India? Culture and all, like you can
Sure,
share.
of course, culture, people are very nice. What I see every year I come, there's a lot of prosperity.
Okay.
And the young people are really a lot different than when we were growing up. It's a lot of fun to see.
Yeah, culture and wedding is, I think, the best in the world. Whole world.
Yes.
Most foreigner girls also want to visit in India for join the wedding. Why?
Oh, wedding, because this is a unique wedding they have never seen.
Yeah.
Their wedding is, if it's a Jewish wedding, it's 15 minutes wedding.
Yeah.
Islamic wedding is also 10 minutes wedding. Whereas Indian wedding,
Okay, so I want to know your name, uncle.
my name is Jogi Makhija.
Jogi Makhija. Oh, you are very Indian name because you are from India. But your accent is very different. That's why I sit here and want to, ask something.
Sure.
Which type of information would you like to share with my audience? Like there are also college students,
Class are you in?
student third year, fourth year.
What is your specialization?
Okay, field like humanities and also commerce and some developer also maybe.
No, it's very nice. How about you?
Engineer. Yeah, I did my political science
Oh, very good.
from Delhi University. You know Delhi University?
Of course.
Yeah.
I went to Agra University. I went to Chicago College,
Oh.
Illinois Institute of Technology.
Okay.
I did my bachelor and master there.
Okay. And I am also doing acting these days.
Oh, very nice.
That's why I'm not doing masters.
Yeah.
Because earlier days when I was in college, I used to make a vlog and there is a lots of view. That's why I'm continuing.
Oh, I'm glad to know. The thing I have seen when we were growing up, everyone has to follow their parents' footsteps.
Yeah.
Like my father was electrical engineer. My older brother became electrical engineer. I became electrical mechanical engineer. My younger brother became doctor. Then younger to him did chemical engineering, but then
Yeah.
he did his MBA and PhD in business and all that.
And what do you do these days for living?
I have my own consulting firm.
Okay.
But I stopped taking more work last year because I did for 37
So
years.
now
of
you are
my own.
retired.
Not fully. I still have one project.
Yeah, I think in a foreign there is a culture like many old men don't retire because every peoples are work on. But in India there is very different things. Once
No.
people 50 cross in
Yeah,
village, they retire, they enjoy.
Well, no, there is a lot of enjoyment in retirement too.
Oh yeah.
But the thing is, what will I do if I retire?
Oh yeah.
In this way,
There will be lonely maybe.
no. Now I have a lot of activities. I
Okay.
go to gym 4 times, and we have a lot of karaoke's. We have music, dance, and
It's
all
in
that.
artistic field, like dancing, watching movies and all. You can suggest me a great movie if you.
No, the
have
movies
watched.
I watch only on TV and
Hmm.
I love music. But the best part is when I go to karaoke,
Yeah.
people will be doing all sorts of singing.
Oh.
I love it, but I won't remember any of it.
So would you like to rank India? Nice.
I think as a living
Hmm.
and what I see the prosperity coming up in India is one of the best in the world. America is changing.
Yeah.
2 years ago, I was sitting in Starbucks here,
Huh?
and one Russian family was sitting next to me. and he started talking about bad things about Putin. You know, naturally, Putin is a dictator. And he said, well, you have a new leader. What do you think? I said, listen, I'm an American citizen.
Yeah.
I don't want to criticize leaders.
Yeah.
Only thing I can tell you, the downfall of America has started in January 2025.
Oh, really?
And amazingly, within a year and a half, I can see where the world is.
Yeah. Maybe there will be shifting because China also emerging these days
Yeah,
in a developing field and all. I think in a sci-fi world.
right.
Yeah. I think India's people are more hardworking than Americans.
No, that I won't say. Americans, I would say French are less hardworking because I did a lot of work, some projects with French people,
Okay.
where they will work 4 hours a day and that's good life for
Okay.
them. For Americans, when they work, they do work. I had a project where my colleagues, you know, I had about 5 employees. They will be working till midnight. And then the project is at critical stage, they'll come 6 in the morning, start working again. You know.
Nice. That's very nice. So, do you like family culture in India? Because this is my question, you know, that's why I'm asking.
Well, family culture
Like-
is still there. Let me show you what my
Oh.
culture is.
In America, family culture exists these days?
Oh, sure.
Oh.
It's everywhere.
Most of the time I heard about Americans people don't live with his family. Like they have to, you know, need permission to meet with his family.
I don't think this is a karaoke we go to.
Can I share?
Sure, come on. It's an 83-year-old man, me.
Okay. You are 83.
Yes.
But you don't like 83. You are like 50 plus.
No.
You are dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, you enjoy a lot. So all are your family?
No. These are just friends and
Oh.
the group is see there.
Nice.
I know for many years. Wish you best of luck.
Thank you so much. In India, we call uncle. That's why I told you many times.
Yeah. Me also, all these girls call me. I have about 6 dance partners. So they all
if you
call me
offend, I am
uncle.
very sorry for uncle. I am, you know,
No.
continuously telling you uncle and uncle.
With 83-year-old man.
In India, every senior people,
even your father will be calling me my uncle, you know.
It's a very great, nice to meet you, and thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
What she said?
She said you should share a script first. He's a theater artist.
Basically, we are going to ask questions regarding general life questions like what success means to
Oh.
hard work or smart work, business is important.
Yeah, share unscripted, please. So guys, there is a language barrier in this session. So, what's your name?
I am Faith Nishtha.
Where are you from, Nishta? Delhi, no?
Yeah.
You are not from Kerala because many Kerala people don't speak Hindi. That's why I assume.
That's literally a discrimination and racism.
No, no.
ये फंस गया सीएम
Because I met and they tell me like I am from Kerala, but I can't speak Hindi. So that's why I thought you were from Kerala. And otherwise, no any discrimination, please.
Okay.
I am very fresh and charming guy in my vlog. Not Samir hai na.
What do you mean by fresh?
Fresh guy, full unfiltered guy. Unfiltered. Yeah, now you can ask me a question. Oh.
I'm kidding.
Again, no, I will not reply you because I respect girls.
So not replying is equals to respect girls.
Yeah, sometimes. In Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, everywhere I can speak very well. Funny content. It's
Okay, so tell me, शादी करने के लिए
हाँ,
men है उसकी जो सैलरी है वो कितनी होनी चाहिए?
शादी करने के लिए men की salary I think 70 plus, according to me.
K
हाँ,
plus money.
yeah, obviously 70K plus.
So I thought you said कि
हाँ.
70 plus, so I would like why would I marry a person?
70 plus, you know, X will be freeze.
ए तीसरी फेल पीटी पास मैं बीए इंग्लिश हूँ समझे ये सब जानने समझने के लिए अक्ल
Carry on.
So tell me, इंडिया में बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना टफ या जॉब लेना?
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है आपका यार. वो क्या है ना यार, आपका इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, मुझे आंसर बनाना पड़ रहा है. डिपेंड. देखो, जॉब लेना अगर आपने बहुत ही अच्छी तैयारी की है और आपके पास बहुत ही अच्छी स्किल है तो आपको जॉब मिल सकती है. थोड़ी हार्ड वर्किंग होगी, इंटरव्यू क्रैक करके मिल जाएगी, आपके डेवलपर हो या कोई भी हो. लेकिन अगर बिजनेसमैन बनना है तो पहले आपको स्टार्टअप शुरू करना पड़ता है, फिर लॉस झेलना पड़ता है. उस लॉस झेलने के बाद आपको फिर क्या करना होता है, स्ट्रांग होना पड़ता है. कितने डिप्रेशन हो जाते हैं, कितने सुसाइड कर लेते हैं. मे भी हो सकता है ऐसा। और यहाँ पे अमीर होने के बाद लोग उनके पीछे लग जाते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है नेवर। जैसे अगर आप रिच हो तो आपकी फ्रेंड आपके पीछे पड़ जाएगी, या इन इंडियन कल्चर सो ऑल्सो इन विलेज पीछे पड़ सकती है। इससे क्या होगा कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचाई तक नहीं जा पाओगे, क्योंकि आपको सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत भी पड़ेगी बिजनेस में। इसलिए यहाँ के जितने भी बिजनेसमैन हैं वो बाहर शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं दूसरी कंट्री में। आपने देखा होगा विजय माल्या, किंगफिशर ओनर, फ्लैम्बॉयंट। आई थिंक दिस इज राइट आंसर ना। आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट गाय।
So tell me, what do you think? पैसे इम्पोर्टेंट है लाइफ में,
हाँ।
या वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस?
मुझे लगता है पहले पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसके बाद तो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस तो हो ही जाएगी। बिकॉज दुनिया में जिसकी भी लड़ाई हो रही है, पावर और पैसे की लड़ाई हो रही है। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल आंसर।
If you could get to choose between power and money.
Depend how much. Like 10 crore, 100 crore, 500 crore, billion, then I will easily choose billion. If you are Elon Musk, then why should you need a power? Because you can make your government. Like in India, if you are a Mukesh Ambani, you don't need power.
So you think money brings power?
Lots of money brings power, but not money brings power. Nice to meet you.
एक मिनट, एक हमारा रैपिड फायर और है, बीचेस और माउंटेन्स।
Obviously beaches.
Why?
Cause I feel.
Not bitches.
Oh, yeah. अरे भाई अरे बहुत अच्छा आंसर दूंगा, माँ कसम।
माउंटेन्स और बीचेस?
Beaches. No, अरे not beaches वाला beach. Not that type. Beach.
बीच।
Yeah, beach.
What's the
Maybe I am wrong in pronunciation. I don't know because I don't emphasize earlier on this word beach. Why I like? Cause I feel more romantic at beach. Mountain I don't feel so romantic cause there is a more marijuana. हाँ, अगर आप गांजेरी हो या गांजा पीते हो तो आपको बहुत मजा आएगा पहाड़ों में, मैं सही बता रहा हूँ। लेकिन अगर बियर शियर पीते हो, डेवलपर हो, तो आपके लिए बीचेस बहुत अच्छे हैं। I think this is honest answer ना?
This is the best answer.
Oh, thank you so much यार।
Would you rather date a girl who is tall and not beautiful, and short but beautiful?
Beautiful is important for me. आपका आंसर दे दिया, अब मेरा भी आंसर दे दो यार
पहले
प्लीज।
मैं मैम को ले रहा हूँ।
हाँ, मैं मुझे को नहीं पता था।
मैं सच में थक गया हूँ नौकरी करने से
जी।
अगर आपकी दुआ से मैं यूट्यूबर बन जाऊँ तो जीवन भर आपका एहसान बनूं।
आप नौकरी को बुरा मानते हैं?
बुरा नहीं, अच्छा है, लेकिन मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ मैं थक चुका हूँ
थक चुके हैं? अच्छा,
उम्र हो गया ना, 30 साल उम्र हो गया मेरा।
अच्छा, बोर हो चुके हैं। अरे इसके बारे में बहुत अफवाह सुन रहा हूँ अभी।
ओनली बियर।
ओनली बियर?
हाँ।
इवन आई लाइक ओनली बियर।
यू आर माय ब्रदर।
कसम।
पीने के बाद इंग्लिश ही बोलता हूँ, नशा रहता तब तक इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ, नशा उतरने के बाद हिंदी।
मुझे लग रहा है अभी आप दीवार को भी तोड़ सकते हैं।
नहीं, आई डोंट लाइक दीवार।
You don't like-
दीवार से मजबूत। मेरा नाम आनंद राय।
अयोध्या से आए आप?
मैं अयोध्या में ड्यूटी कर रहा था, मैं हूँ बनारस का।
इंस्पेक्टर?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ।
माँ बाप की सेवा परम धर्म।
यस
माँ बाप की सेवा करोगे।
ये इमोशनल बातें हैं, ऐसा नहीं।
एक अंग्रेज अंकल से मिल।
स्मार्ट मैं कैसे बनूंगा, यूट्यूबर कैसे बनूंगा?
भाई सही में इतना हेवी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दिया आपने। आई एम
नहीं
स्मार्ट।
हो तो तुम गोरे हो यार, कैसे
थोड़ा
गोरे?
मैं भी बोल
इतना
रहा हूं।
गोरे कैसे हुए तुम?
ये बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा।
दिल्ली की पैदाइश है, दिल्ली की पैदाइश।
इसका पापा गोरे होंगे तो
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है
मेरे
जेनेटिक।
भी पिताजी गोरे हैं।
हाँ,
2 रुपए के 5 आम आएंगे तो 60 आम कितने रुपए के आएंगे?
मेरे को नहीं पता भाई। मेरे को
पूछने वाले की गलती है, हम लोग
ये तो खान सर ही बता सकते हैं। वुड यू लाइक टू पार्ट ऑफ माय व्लॉग क्वेश्चन इफ यू वांट टू गिव द आंसर? आप यू रियली नॉट इंटरेस्टेड? ऐसी बात बोल के दिल तोड़ दिया मेरा आपको। क्या मैं एक लड़के से प्यार करता था, बाद में पता चला लेस्बियन है। इतने लड़के दुनिया में क्या पागल हैं? लड़कियां को पसंद करती हो तुम? कि क्या तकलीफ होती होगी लड़कों को कि रोबोट की नौबत आ जाएगी।
हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ बढ़िया होंगे। मेरा भी चैनल है, भैया के चैनल को सपोर्ट करो। और गाइस हम
मेरा भी चैनल है और भैया के चैनल। पहले
भैया
भाई
के चैनल को सपोर्ट करो। हम आए थे, मेरी फ्रेंड से मिला दो।
अरे आपके फ्रेंड है? नो योर नेम फर्स्ट।
रोहित आरजे।
रोहित आरजे? अच्छा, मुझे लगा रेडियो में काम करते।
नहीं यार,
खुशबू शाह।
खुशबू शाह? नसरुद्दीन शाह सुना था, खुशबू शाह पहली बार सुना।
अरे अग्रवाल में आते हैं ना, बहुत नाम है अपना।
आप इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या करती हो आप?
इंस्टाग्राम पे कंटेंट बनाती हूँ, जैसे कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ।
ये आगे आओ, गिर जाओगे, मेरे पे इल्जाम लग जाएगा। ओह, यू आर वर्किंग इन भोजपुरी इंडस्ट्री। बॉयज शुड 6'2". चल पूरा आंसर देना नीचे तक। हाँ,
मस्कुलर,
हाँ,
अट्रैक्टिव, हेयर बेसिक,
नाइस।
मतलब ज्यादा बड़े बाल नहीं होने चाहिए। सैलरी नहीं भी होता,
सैलरी नहीं भी तो कौन खिलाएगा तुझे?
आप ही आपका कमा लेंगे।
क्या अपने से कमाएगी? देखा, मैं समझ गया पंजाबी। चल अवार्ड। तू मुंडा बस ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए तुझे।
तो नहीं मैटर करता।
She told me earlier, पैसा doesn't matter.
Yes, of course.
और she don't know what's the future. अरे
I know
पैसे
my
की जरूरत।
future, brother.
No. अरे you know your future ना, but one day you will know everything after marriage.
I think funny. Confident तो होना ही चाहिए। Size क्या है ये?
Size, अरे size, this is penis size.
अच्छा बात नहीं है।
माफ करना मेरे घर की ऑडियंस, दिस इज यूट्यूब सो एवरीथिंग इज एक्सेप्टेबल। 3 क्या मजबूरी है जाया। टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई हियर। When you speak Hindi, you feel like wow, this is real language. But when I speak English, like very formal, but is no entertainment for us. कब से बेच रहे हैं आप ये? दरअसल कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट लगी नहीं तो
हम गए थे मसूरी घूमने।
मसूरी
घूमा सारा कुछ घूम के ना, थोड़ा बजट हमारा कम हो गया, हम भाई की हेल्प करा रहे हैं। आज हम निकले।
Where are you from, bro?
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर।
कश्मीर अलग है?
जम्मू अलग है भाई।
अब मैं एक ही समझ रहा था आज तक, मुझे लगा बस बर्फ। हाँ पंजाबी बोलते, पता नहीं नानी का घर पंजाबी इधर है। यू कैन गेस माई एज।
27, 28।
बाप रे, आप भाई?
बुढ़ा हो गया तुम।
कैन यू गेस माई एज?
25।
ब्रो आई एम जस्ट 21 ईयर ओल्ड गाय। हाँ भाई, अरे यार रॉन्ग है।
मैंने गेस
काम का टाइम है सर। शी टोल्ड यू भैया कैन यू ब्रिंग द बॉटल। Once you will come here, you will confuse. You should know block name. Which block are you at? You like to pick up. You have a 15 credit. Can I guess your age? If I am wrong, you can slap me. Okay, आपकी. I think your age is 19. 21. 20. Okay, I'm wrong. Yes, you can slap. Otherwise, challenge will be fail. Mike, it's your turn. You didn't join any college. You don't speak English. Oh, corporate employee. This is very good things. Which one would you like to pick? You can just pick no.
Please subscribe.
Thank you. And आपको क्या लगता है इंडिया में टैलेंट नहीं है? हाँ भाई, ये बिना फ्यूल का उड़ कैसे रहा है? कैसे उड़ा रहे हो? ये तो चमत्कार हो गया, इंडिया का नया टैलेंट अभी।
हम अपने हाथ से उड़ाते हैं।
सही में भाई, कैसे उड़ जाता है? इसमें कुछ डाले नहीं हो आप?
नहीं,
कितना कमा लेते हो दिन का?
दिन का 4000।
दिन का 4000? सीरियसली?
सीरियसली।
अरे बाप रे।
काम करने का।
ओके, काम करने का। थैंक यू यार, ग्रो वेल, दुआ करूंगा यार। एक कितने का है?
300।
300 का? दिन का 4000, बढ़िया यार। 300 रुपये, 300 रुपये, आ जाओ आ जाओ। तुम्हारे लिए आवाज लगाऊंगा, 1200 दोगे दिन का? दिस इज 6 का। When I was in 12th, मुझे कुछ लोग अश्लील जगह ले जाया करते थे। जब मुझे अकल आई, मैच्योर हुआ, गॉड से कनेक्शन हो गया मेरा, तो मैंने सोचा आपसे बात करूं। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? सॉरी, आप कहाँ से हो?
ईपी बधाई हूँ।
क्या
ईपी बधाई हूँ।
मैं पूछता, आपका जो स्टार्टअप है तो आप क्या अर्न कर लेते हो?
हमारा घर, फैमिली, सारा खर्चा हमारा, सब निकल जाता
भाई बहुत बेस्ट यार।
है। मेहनत तो थोड़ा करना पड़ता है।
मेहनत कौन, आपसे ज्यादा मेहनत मैं कर रहा हूँ वीडियो में।
नहीं वो ठीक है,
फिर भी इतना रेवेन्यू नहीं देता।
पूरा खर्चा निकल जाता है, फिर भी बच जाता है अपना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
ग्रेट।
होना चाहिए मेहनत करने वाला।
फिर भी अप्रोक्स 30 के?
है
30, 20, 50, 40
महीने का?
हाँ,
महीने का वही 20-25 हज़ार।
20-25 हज़ार, बहुत सही है यार। फिर तो आपका
क्या लेना
सही, तो
है?
आप खुले में काम करते हो, सही है, आपको ऑक्सीजन भी मिल रहा है, कॉर्पोरेट वाले को डिप्रेशन मिल। थैंक यू। क्या नाम है आपका?
कैलाश।
कैलाश भाई, कैलाश खेर बनोगे एक दिन। So guys, this is for today videos. I hope you will like, guys. If you like, subscribe and like, share. Okay, we will meet soon in our next video. Jai Hind.